Hey guys, it's Eva Ego here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's story, I want to show you guys how I created this cut crease Beyonce Soul Train birthday party inspired look. That's a pretty long name. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Alright, Ego fam, so I am priming my lids with the NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette just in case you guys are wondering about the shades that I'll be using. I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder and set the eyeshadow base. For my transition shade, I'm going to go in with Salted Caramel, and I'm going to use a fluffy crease brush from BH Cosmetics and apply that into my crease. Now I'm going to start deepening the crease, and this is the shade Milk Chocolate. And so I'm going to put that right above where the fold of my eyelid is. And then I'm going to go in with Semi-Sweet just to deepen it just a little bit more. Now I'm going to take a smudge brush and I'm going to go in with Cherry Cordial. I'm going to angle the brush so that the product is sitting up towards my brow bone and not down towards my lid. Once I've applied the product, then I'm going to use the edge of the brush, like the very tip of it, to spread it out. This is just me making a pattern for the cut crease. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend that all out. I'm taking a little bit of the Semi-Sweet on the brush again and mixing it with Triple Fudge, and I'm just picking up just a little bit of color and I'm applying that to the right above the crease area. Now I'm going to take the same NYX eyeshadow base that I used before, and I'm going to take an angled brush, and what you want to do is try to look straight ahead, and where you see the very bottom of the fold of your lid, you're going to outline that using the angled brush. And once you have that down, then you want to create sort of like a wing tip on the outer edge just to bring it up towards the brow. Once you've done that, then you are going to pull down on the eyeshadow base so that when you fill in your lid with the shadow base once more, you won't risk messing up the line that you just carved out for your cut crease. Now you can go ahead and fill it in without an issue. Now I'm going to pat on cream brulee, and I'm going to pat that all over my lid. Right after you apply that, you're going to go into Black Forest Truffle, and you're going to take just the tip of the flat brush and you're going to apply that to the very end, like where the lid begins, right by the lash line. You're going to put that right along the lash line and then slightly blend it upwards because you want an ombre effect. Now once you put on your wing liner, I did a very elongated wing liner. You're going to take your NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Black Bean and you're going to line the waterline. Now I'm taking the same smudge brush and I'm going in with Triple Fudge. And Triple Fudge is a dark brown shade, and I'm just going to smudge out the black, the liner that we just put on, the Black Bean from NYX. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go in with Cherry Cordial right under that, and I'm going to smoke it out just a little bit more. Once that's done, I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to give my lashes 1 or 2 coats of mascara. Apply your blush, and this is by Black Up, and I think it's the number 6 shade. It's a very vibrant orange color. And then you're going to put on your highlight. And of course the foundation and everything was done prior to doing the shadow. You're going to apply some to your nose, to your cupid's bow, down the center of your nose, right along the top of the lip. And now I'm going to line my lips with MAC's lip pencil in the shade Chestnut, and that's like a medium brown shade. Now I'm going to fill in my lips with NARS Joyous Red, and I'm only using just a little of this lipstick only because in the 70s, you know, when Soul Train was very popular, a lot of women were wearing red lipstick, but it looked more like lip stain, and gloss was in at the time as well. So I topped it off with a little bit of gloss by NYX, and that was pretty much it. Me acting silly. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By all means, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at It's Eva Ego. And if you guys recreate this look, please tag me in it because I would love to see the different types of looks that you guys have come up with. Also, by all means, please make sure you guys hit the subscription button so you guys don't miss out on any of the looks that I have started creating. I don't know, I feel like I'm on a roll now, and I will see you guys later, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.